Today's video is specifically for small businesses or sole proprietors. For example, taxi driver, truck driver, anyone who has a small shop, or anyone who sells items in Amazon or eBay. For you viewers who are in such a business, you are a sole proprietor and you are eligible for the PPP loan and also the EIDL. If you have not filed for them yet in the first round, you have an opportunity to file it again in the second round that is starting this Monday. However, if you have employees, you are a sole proprietor, but you do have employees and you run payroll, you have Form 940, 941s, and issue W-2s, then please watch my other video, previous video that I made a week ago about the PPP application system specifically for people who has payroll. So let's talk about single member or single person businesses and what is the requirement that you have to prepare yourself to file for the PPP. And remember, at the very end, I'll also talk about the EIDL and also tell you about my success story, how I have received money or not on the EIDL and PPP. So wait until the last minute. So let's talk about Schedule C business owners that includes sole proprietor, independent contractor, self-employed, or single member LLC. As I said, if you have employees, please watch my video about folks who are applying for PPP with employees. But if you do not have employees, these are the items you would need. You would need a color copy of the government-issued ID, a valid ID like a driver license, front and back. You will also need a 2019 1040 Schedule C, which shows your income for the small business and your expenses. If you do have a 2018, that is not good. You must have at least a draft, if not a filed Schedule C with your 1040 with the IRS so that you can give it to the bank. My recommendation and my suggestion, file your 2019 return with your Schedule C ASAP. It will help you, number one, to get the stimulus checks for your personal, also get this PPP loan. Dear viewers, if you need help in preparing your Schedule C, or you have no clue what you need to put on your Schedule C, you can visit our website at benfranklintax.com and click on How Can We Help You? It is an icon with a handshake picture on it, and it says next to it, How Can I Help You? It's on the very first page. When you click on it, it's a form. You can, if you want, you can skip to 11 and select I want to prepare a return online or at the office. Once you click on it, it will give you a list of items, list of forms, like for example, profit and loss template, balance sheet template. It will give you even a Schedule C worksheet. All these will help you to get the information that you need to prepare your Schedule C information, to give it to your tax preparer, or for you yourself to prepare it and file your tax return and give it to your bank. You'll also need to have invoices, bank statements, or any record showing that you were in operation as of 2/15/2020. That means on the day 2/15/2020, you were still in business. You cannot be a closed business. You had to be in active status. And lastly, you need to also tell them that whether you have any economic injury disaster loan that is you already have or you already received in the past, and any statement that goes along with it showing how much you owe to the SBA. So it's very simple. You just need this information and file your PPP. Do not wait. To calculate your PPP, this is how it works. First of all, you need to know how much you earned, net profit, your income minus expenses, whatever the profit was, that is your net profit. For example, let's say you made $20,000 in 2019 and you spent $8,000 in expenses. So how much is left? To make it easy, it's just $12,000. Take the $12,000, which is your net profit, divide that by 12 for the 12 months, you have $1,000 per month. Remember, you are a sole proprietor, you're a single person. Multiply that $1,000 by 2.5. How much you get? $2,500. That is the loan amount you're eligible for. If your income is higher, then the average multiplied by 2.5 will be higher. Income is less, it will be less. But if you have zero or negative income, do not apply for PPP. You will not be eligible for it. Okay? The second item I like to talk about is the EIDL, the Economic Injury Disaster Loan Advance, which when initially was introduced was supposed to be $10,000. SBA has changed some rulings and changes to it, so now it is only $1,000 per employee. So up to $10,000 for the advance, for the grant. So for you who are a single member or single person business, when you fill out the EIDL form, for which I will give you the link here, you can get $1,000 for yourself. It's grant money. It's free money as long as you use it for the business. Usage can be even driving to work and various other expenses. So do not lose that $1,000 grant. PPP can be forgivable. EIDL can be forgivable under certain circumstances. For PPP, you can get up to $100,000 for a single person business. For EIDL, as I say, the advance is $1,000 and the rest of it matters based on your credit history and your income level. To apply for this loan, the PPP, I have given a particular website that I have personally liked. I'm not endorsing them, but if you use that particular site, it's called cabbage.com. They're affiliated with the SBA, and it looks like they are pretty knowledgeable with the application process, and it's a very easy site to upload information and file for the PPP. So please do not procrastinate. Do not sit on your behind and do nothing. Don't be lazy. Apply for your PPP. Get your money. This is your opportunity. You're already behind if you haven't done it, but this is your second chance, and try it. If you do not try, you will not get the PPP. The EIDL advance, I will put a link, but unfortunately it was not active as of today, which is Saturday when I looked at it. So maybe by Monday it will be active again and you can apply for it. Again, you will just put 1 as an employee because you are a self-employed person, and you'll fill it out. Finally, let me tell you about what happened to me, what happened to us as a business, Ben Franklin. It took us a month, but the news is, yes, we did get our PPP approved, we did get our EIDL advance, and all that happened because I started the very first day. Did I get any help? Did I get any, when I called the SBA, when I called the bank, nobody could give me any information whatsoever other than what was in the website. So be aware of it. It is a very difficult process. It's hard. You have to wait until it is over. It takes a month. It took us a month before all the money was deposited into our bank account, and the relief that happened when we saw that money in our account. So be patient. Do not give up. Try again. And my suggestions, file your tax return if you're a single member, LLC, or you're sole proprietor, you're self-employed, you're independent contractor. File your tax return ASAP with the Schedule C. Get all the documents ready that I told you about, and watch my video carefully so you don't miss anything. And file for your PPP, file for your EIDL, and get your money. Get the help you need. And most important, do not lie on your application. You may be tempted to put too many employee information. You may be tempted to put too much income or net profit. It will bite you later. It will get you in trouble later. Do not lie to the government. It is serious offense. Because when you sign that paper, the SBA loan, the final application, and also the final loan, you're swearing in saying you're telling the truth. So do not lie intentionally. If you make a mistake, that's a different story, but do not lie intentionally, please. So again, I wish you the best. Best of luck. I have given the links just below my video. Click on Show More. It has details of it. So please click on the links, apply for PPP, apply for EIDL. If I can answer any question, please ask on my channel. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and Tell your friends about us. I wish you the best. Be safe. God bless. Thank you.